Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about natural numbers DSA program. So the problem statement was write a program to calculate the sum of first 10 natural numbers. Okay. So by uh, thinking about natural numbers word, all will confuse. Okay, what are natural numbers? We don't know. So natural numbers are nothing but numbers that you can count. So zero will not come into the natural numbers part. Okay, because zero you can't count, right? So the first 10 natural numbers are 1 to 10. Okay, the first 100 natural numbers are 1 to 100. Okay, so as you know what are the first 10 natural numbers, you need not to take input from the console. So I am importing util package. DOS star means I want to have all the modules or clauses that are present in the util package. Okay, hello world is the class name and we are using by default main function along with this command line arguments. Okay, then what we have taken? We have taken a some variable which is of integer type and we have assigned 0. Then so as I told you, I want sum of first 10 natural numbers. That is the reason I have given 10. Okay, so normally 10 natural numbers will come like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? So as all the natural numbers are in line wise manner, you can take for loop. Okay, for that I equal to 1 because natural numbers will start from 1. If the numbers is starting from 0, then you have to put like this: I equal to 0. Okay, as natural number start from 1, you have to take I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10 because the first 10 natural numbers end with 10 value. Y equal to, because you want to include 10 as well. Okay, and I plus plus. Then what we are doing? Sum equal to sum plus I. That means what will happen at first iteration? Sum equal to sum now is 0. Okay, plus I means 1. So sum equal to 1. Okay, then in second iteration sum equal to 1, right? Because previously sum was 1. Now that same sum value will come here. Okay, so what I am telling is this statement I am explaining here. Okay, plus sum plus I. Now I is 2 because it was incremented. So 3. Now sum equal to 3 plus 3. Present I value is 3, right? That means 6. Now sum equal to 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Now sum equal to previous sum value was 10. Okay, plus 5, 15. Now previous sum value was 15 plus present I value 6, 21. Sum equal to previous sum value 21 plus 7. How much? 28. Previous value was 28 plus now I value 8. That means 36. Okay, 36 plus 9. 40. Okay, 36 plus 9 equal to 45. Okay, now previous sum value was 45 plus 10 equal to 55. So this 55 value will print in the console. So whenever after 10 it will increase to 11. I equal to 11 less than equal to 10. False. So loop will come out, loop will terminated, and this statement will printed. So what is the console output? This one. The sum of first 10 natural numbers is 55. Okay. See this output. So this is the final sum output. Okay. See, this is the final sum output after 10th iteration. So if they ask you for first 25 natural numbers, you just need to change the value here. Okay, I less than equal to 25. That's it. So that's it for today. Thank you.